Enjoy, everyone! We're gonna be making a croissant with a French recipe that we found on the internet. We will be needing flour 500 grams, salt 10 grams, sugar 50 grams, milk 125 grams, water 125 grams, and last but not least 220 grams yeast. So first is 2 cups of flour. Secondly, you need 10 small tablespoons of sugar, 2 spoons of salt, which is around about here, with water and the other half milk.
This looks like a job for Superman.
And 20 grams yeast. If yours is around about sticky as this, I recommend you put around about half a cup of flour. So I'm gonna take it out. So when it's nice and smooth, you want to roll it into a sphere or a circle. The dough should be kind of look like this, but not all the extra flour. So you want to preheat your oven for a little bit, like for 10 minutes, and then you want to turn it off and then put the dough in it for 30 minutes, and after you do that, you want to take it out, then put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. So it can cool down. Oh my god, look how big it's gotten. It's so big. Then you roll it. Draw a little diamond in your dough with your finger and measure every side. Then that's how much butter you're gonna need. You want to cut it into thin layers. Just pretend this is my dough. This is the simple fold where you fold it like this and then fold it like this. But we're gonna be folding it the double fold where you fold it into the middle and then they both meet and then you fold it one more time like this. So then it's 4 layers instead of 3. Well, firstly you wanna cut this out because it's not really a square and you need a square to do it. So now we're gonna fold it. So as you can see, there was 4 layers instead of 3. So now it's been 15 minutes and we're gonna roll it out and then we're gonna do the simple fold. Just leave it for 15 minutes. Again, that's all. So it's been 15 minutes. Now we want to roll it out, then cut into rectangles, then cut it again. Now you're gonna cover it in egg wash. How you make this egg wash is 1 egg and a little bit of water. So it's been around about 1 hour. Put another layer of egg wash. So you want to leave it in the oven for around about 2 hours? No, actually 1 hour. Around about 1 hour 30. Let's put this in the oven. This is what we have. I'm going to show you this one. So it looks like inside it. Tastes good. If you have any ideas what our next video should be about, please leave it down in the comments below. Bye.